Hi, we're Haphazard Garage and we're going to teach you some basic car maintenance, some DIY mods, and we're going to have a look at the Scottish car scene. But in today's video, we're going to teach you how to make your car look 1,000 times better for less than £40, including headlight vinyl wraps, new bulbs, LEDs, and wind deflectors.
1,000 times better.
Yeah. Right, the first mod that we're going to fit are these wind deflectors. They're only £20 off eBay, and the idea is that once they're fitted, you can lower your window in here and it stops things like bugs and water getting in. But I just think they look good, they're good styling, and they look good when they're tinted. You can get them different colours or just clear, but I like these dark tinted ones. So they're nice and simple to fit. It takes 2 minutes to fit. So right, so the first thing that you're going to do is pop the bonnet.
Where's the turbo?
Anyway, we will remove this grommet, simple as that. No fancy business there. If you can see in here, you've got this white clip here, that's for your 501 side light. And this one in here, if you can get the camera around, you can see that orange one there is the H15 that we'll be changing. Right, so to get access and enough space, you're just going to pop out that 501. Simple, we've got an LED in there, and then we will turn it counterclockwise, simple as that, and remove it. So you can see that's the old one there. Right, this is our new Samsung H15 LED that we're going to put in. So if you see it with the old one, these LEDs here are your daytime running lights. Don't touch the lens with your fingers because it can mark the light output. And the 6 LEDs on the face of it there, that's your full beam. Okay, so it was only £10 for the two, for both sides. Makes your car look a lot newer and potentially a higher spec, and easy to fit, the exact same as taking them out pretty much. So it can only go in one way, so if you're having difficulty it's because you're doing it wrong and it's ending up going to break. Okay, you just slide them in and turn it clockwise this time. Okay, now that one's in, you're going to put your side light in there. It's going to click, yet again, also one way only. Put your grommet back on to stop water getting in. It is daytime outside, so we'll try and show you the lights just now, but we're not going to. We're going to flash the full beam. We'll give you some night shots of it to see what it looks like. Our next mod that we're going to do is these Headlight surround wraps. They're only $6.99 off eBay, and they can dramatically change the look of your car. So that's them without, and then that's them with it. It just gives it a darker, potentially a more aggressive look. So what we're going to do is, this one here goes down, that flat section there is that flat section there. So roughly that, okay? So what we're going to do is make sure it's clean. Okay, once that's done, peel a section back. If you mess it up, there's no going back. Okay, so make sure you pay attention. Oh jeez.
So we're just going to line up one small section here and then work our way backwards from there.
Hang on.
Oh yeah. And all we're going to do is slowly work our way on. That was a lovely hand touch there. Not too much.
Nice and careful with it.
From there you're just working out the bubbles?
Yep. This one actually went on a lot easier than the first one. Oh, I'm actually really impressed with that, how easily that went on. Yeah.
That's fine, so we've got a top one to do as well.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and
So easily.
slam down bonnets. So we've done the top one on this side here. It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Well,
And you can get them in white and yellow. You might be able to get them in different colours, but the seller was selling them in white and yellow as also. So that one goes like that.
if you angle them, can you make your car confused?
I guess you could, yeah.
Again, just giving the surface a little clean. You don't want to trap any dirt or bugs or anything underneath there.
Nope. Exact same principle. Take the flat edge there to match the flat edge there.
So we're just going to peel a small amount off the back and again line everything up. And then we're just going to work our way back. Just making sure we don't capture any air bubbles underneath.
That's a bit off. But if it's a bit off, just unstick it. You can do that. You can take it off a few times before it starts to reject it. It's a much better one this time.
Yeah.
See?
And again, just work out the bubbles. Do these make a noise?
It's not that sort of vinyl. And then, yeah, you can get some sick street cred with these mods that we've taught you today.
Instant street cred, instant horsepower gains.
So this is all about mods on a budget. That's pretty good.